in art, taking photographs, there's something that's called a rule of 3. That is, your eye starts up here, comes down across the picture, and ends down here. That's the way we view art and graphics, advertising inside America. That's just the way we're trained, you know. So a good example of that is like the movie posters. So you can see on this movie poster is 1, 2, 3, and it starts at the top and it brings us down to the bottom here. You know, rule of 3. Even when you're taking photos with like your friends at the park and things like that, if you try to set things up with 3 items like that, your photos will look a little better instead of just being a jumbled mess, you know. So rule of 3 is real common. Start at the top left, go to bottom right. PowerPoint has all types of built-in clip art that you can use. Let's see, go insert clip art. Okay, then you can search for things here. And there's all these pictures here. You can just kind of click and hold and drag, and you have this clip art here. Now that one, they didn't set the transparency for us. Lots of them, they do already have the transparency set. Like that one, they have the transparency set for us. Okay, so let's see, if we go to set the transparency, click on the picture, you get this picture tools tab here at the top. Click on that guy, and then you get this set transparency, and then you click on it. That's how you set the transparency. And then there's these guys too. You can click on these to change up your picture. There's more. If you click the down arrow here, there's all types of ways that you can change it. I'm going to take that word out of there and just hit enter key. Okay, so we're not searching for anything here. We're just, now we get everything. And this list goes on and on and on and on. Down toward the bottom, you get all these little graphics that you can use for like bullet points. There's bars, so you can add these bars. You can make them bigger or smaller. Okay. Okay, then you can create a new slide here. And you can see when you create a new slide, you get a layout. How the text boxes are laid out. You can change that here. It depends on how you want to set your slides up. You know, where do you want your text? Where do you want your graphics? You know, each slide will be different. So you can change the layout. PowerPoint 2. Okay, so PowerPoint 2, we just get into using PowerPoint templates. Okay, so you don't have to start from scratch. Like when I created this here, you know, we're starting from scratch. We got a blank piece of paper. We have a blank slide, and then we add things to it. So to create a nice looking PowerPoint, you really have to be an artist, you know, to look professional. You have to know what you're doing, how to pick fonts, how to pick backgrounds, how to move your pictures around, you know. So for most of us, you know, they're just gonna, our PowerPoints will come out not looking professional. So that's what the templates are for. So to use a template, there's built-in templates that you can use with PowerPoint.